Today we're going to learn about the pelican. Today's letter is P for pelican. Hey, take a look at this. This pelican is just hanging out right by the pier. Check this out. Pelicans are among the largest flying birds, and they're famous for their huge throat pouches. You can find pelicans around lakes, rivers, and seacoasts in many parts of the world. Whoa, check this out. This pelican's diving in for a fish. The wingspan of a pelican can be more than 6.5 feet long. Whoa, look at how long those wings are. Check out this cute little guy. He's got a funny little walk. Here are 3 fun facts about pelicans. The pelican's lifespan ranges between 15 to 25 years. The pelican's diet includes fish and minnows. And the pelican uses its pouch to catch fish.